In this video, I'm going to show you how to add stairs in Planner 5D. First of all, head over to your project and make sure you already have at least one floor created. This is important because stairs are used to connect two different floors, so you need both a lower and an upper level in your design. Now, one important concept you need to understand is that the area where your stairs will be placed must be treated as a separate space from the rest of the room. This is necessary to create a proper opening between floors and to ensure that the stairs connect cleanly without any visual or structural issues. To begin, go to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Build icon. From there, scroll down and select the Stairs option. You will see different types of stairs available. Choose any style that fits your design and place it in the area where you want your staircase to be. Once the stairs are placed, the next step is to separate that area from the rest of the room. To do this, click on the wall near your stairs and select the option called Add Corner. This will split the wall into smaller segments. You can repeat this process multiple times to create several segments around the stairs area. After that, you can drag these corners to reshape the walls and isolate the stairs section from the rest of the room. After separating the area, you need to make those dividing walls invisible. Click on each of these walls one by one and use the eye icon to hide them. This will keep the layout intact while removing the visual barriers. Next, you need to create a new room specifically for the stairs area. Go back to the Build menu, select Rooms, and draw a room that fits exactly around the staircase. Once this new room is created, hide its walls as well, using the same eye icon method so that the space remains open. Now it's time to connect this area with the upper floor. Move your cursor to the upper left side of your screen. Hover over the floor name and click on New Floor to create the next level. Once the new floor is added, you will notice that there is no opening above the stairs by default. To fix this, go to the Build section again, select Rooms, and manually create a room at the top of the stairs area. Adjust it so that it matches the position of the staircase below. After creating it, select this room and enable the Hide Floor option. This will create an opening in the upper floor. Then switch back to your first floor, select the room where the stairs are located, and enable the Hide Ceiling option. This step ensures that there is a clear vertical connection between the two floors. Finally, switch to 3D view to check the result. You will now see that your stairs are properly aligned between the floors, with a clean and realistic opening connecting them. If anything looks off, you can go back and make small adjustments to positioning or alignment. With these steps, you can successfully create a functional and clean staircase connection between floors, and this is how you can add stairs in Planner 5D.